And welcome back everyone to another episode of the Geek Tech Show. And in case you didn't miss the previous one, today's episode is about the Enso Rings that you can get for your sweet one. Because if you want to get married and you have a ring to go or a promise ring, this is the ring you should be getting. Why this one? Well, because it's pretty dangerous for you to have an actual ring on your hand, well, for a wide variety of reasons. First of all, well, if you get mugged, they're gonna steal something expensive. Two, if you lose it, well, you lose something very valuable. And three, of course, you want to show people you're married. Maybe even if you're a player, you can get something like this and say, hey, I'm married. But the real reason for that is this is an actual promise ring. A promise ring for you is to show your sweetheart you actually love her. And of course, having two of those, one for you, one for her, is the ideal reason why you should be getting it. And of course, this is way cheaper than getting an actual ring. But there is a real reason why you should be getting it. The actual real reason is the simplest one. Rings are super dangerous, wedding rings. They can get stuck on your finger. You have to have a doctor to actually take it off. And the worst thing can actually happen is if you have them and you have a dangerous job, you can get stuck in a machine or something extremely dangerous. People got super hurt with wedding rings, which is why you should always take them off, especially if you are working with dangerous tools and so on. Why are those so much better? Because they're made to snap. Within certain amount of force, those things will actually snap before your finger actually snaps off. So this is actually a lifesaver for a lot of people. But there's a few issues with this thing. Well, it is made out of silicone. Definitely it is a cheap item. What can you expect for paying like 20 to 30 bucks for something like this? Not much. It is almost like a cereal ring that you might actually find, and it jumps like that pretty easy too. So with that being said, the ring itself, you can get different kind of styles. This is the gut version of it. Gut. So like this is like the black version of this thing. You can get any kind of core design for it. This one has the infinity design. You can't really see what it is from this far away. You see like a black ring. I think there is better different kind of designs for this one. You can find one that actually looks more like a ring than this specific version of it, and it is really bendable. It is not much of a ring, let's put it this way. It is like, it's like a piece of rubber, like a rubber tile. If you really want to put something into it, you are wearing a miniature rubber tile. And if you think that's cool, then yeah, you can get this thing for yourself. So with that being said, there is pluses and minuses of getting the Enso ring. Of course, it is all what it is. It is symbolic. Show her you love her, show her you're gonna be with her forever, and yet you don't want to put the big bucks into buying something that might actually get lost at the job or get her hurt or anything else, or even for yourself. So this is a cheap way to get a ring before you actually commit to a real ring. And even if you do have a real ring, this is a very nice emergency ring that you can wear when you're not wearing the real deal. So with that being said and done, it's going to be a link somewhere down below where you can get your own version of this ring on Amazon. You can try it out over there. If you don't like it, return it, money back guarantee. In the next video, we're going to go close up and explore how this actually looks like on my finger as close as possible, and if you should be getting it for yourself. And with that being said, before we go into that video, the final verdict for this one is, for what it is, I would give it a 7 stars out of 10. Could it make a better job? I really don't think you can really make a better job creating a silicone ring. It is probably the best version somebody could actually make, but maybe the design that I picked is not the best one. Getting a real ring is probably much better, but you're not going to get the safety features of the Enso ring. So this is a video review of the Enso rings. For good. This is what you get when you order this. Look how tiny this package actually is. In fact, I nearly trashed it because I thought this was some kind of a spam thing, but it was exactly what I ordered. So what you get when you open this inside is the following. The rings. It says "Force for Good," and unfortunately I was expecting a little more of a better package when I got this. Pretty much you get this small booklet and that's it. There is no covering, there is no nothing. It's the most minimalistic thing that I got. Of course, you probably are more wondering about the rings themselves. So we got the small one. This is the woman's size for here, for a woman. And we got the man's one right here, which is the guy's one. So you're probably more interested in the quality of the product. So let's go ahead and zoom in, show you the different sizes here of them. And you can see the difference between them in size. I don't suggest to get the woman's one because it is just so tiny. The man's one is much bigger. It is a good ring for what it is because it is much better than having the real deal, especially if your job requires you to use your hands all the time and you don't want to ruin something that is expensive. Yet how cheap this is made just boggles my mind, unfortunately. So if you're looking for something expensive, this is not it. And you shouldn't expect anything too expensive for the price tag either. Let's go ahead and put more lights on so you can see how this actually looks like and magnify it even more. So all it is just a piece of rubber, super kind of a silicone rubber, and there's a design right on it. Maybe the black one wasn't my taste, but you can see how tiny this thing is. And yeah, if this is what you're looking for, go ahead, knock yourself out and buy this. I personally am not too happy with what I got, but it does have a 30-day money-back guarantee. But I wanted to show you what you're getting. So just in case you're buying this, now you know what you're buying before you get this. Well, congratulations, you finally made it. You got all the way to the last lecture, and I want to thank you so much for finishing this entire class. And I want to give you a special treat here. It's going to be right here in the small window of fine print. It's going to be the link to my website. There's going to be a few free classes that you can take on my website, plus a lot of interesting things, goodies, and other courses that I have made, and how you can work online, work for yourself, and do what I actually do myself if you are interested in learning about teaching on Udemy, teaching online, making money with eBay, Etsy, and so on. This is the way I make money myself, and you can do it as well too. And it's all going to be showing you over here. Another special gift, since you enrolled in this class, if you have any friends, family, and anyone else who wants to join this course all for free, there's going to be a pass right here that's going to be written down. Write this pass down and give it to any of your friends, and they can take this course and enroll all for free. Another extra great bonus, there's going to be a link on the side of the window. You press on the photo and you're going to be seeing another free class over there. It's going to be a free link to my Get Motivated class, and you can check it out all for free as well. So you're actually getting a few free gifts just for you for enrolling in this course. So thank you so much for watching this. I hope you found this very helpful. And of course, if you want to enroll in any of my future classes or anything else that I teach online, you can go ahead and check out on my website. All my classes are always posted over there at the lowest possible price, so you don't have to ever pay for a price in case you ever are interested in learning something new, or even to give it as a gift to someone else. So with that being said and done, if you have any questions, comments, or anything, you can always become my friend on Facebook. You can also follow me on YouTube as well. I have a big channel, over 3,000 fans, and also there's going to be a link right on this side over there as well, so you can go and check out my YouTube channel. Lots of other interesting topics, and you will never know what is the next video I'm going to be posting in my Geek Tech show, which is featured on YouTube. Check that one out as well. On my YouTube channel, you can learn everything you want about me, including my playlist. By pressing on playlist, you will see some of the content that I feature. And it's not only my content. There's going to be my favorite music here. There's going to be entertainment section. There's going to be product reviews, how to grow your Etsy sales, how to sell on eBay, how to sell on Alibaba. So you can start and you can take some of the mini courses, boot camps, all for free in my YouTube channel. There's also other cool things as well here too. So make sure you check out and press on my playlist section. So join in and make sure you go in here and subscribe to my channel. Also make sure you turn on your post notification. Another thing that you can do right here is just to press on my name. By pressing on my name right there, you enter into my Udemy portal. In my Udemy portal, you can go and press on show full biography, and you can read everything you want about me, what I am, why am I doing what I'm doing right now. You can check out my Udemy profile. Right now I have 63,000 students, 47 classes, and 1,200 plus reviews. And those are the courses that I teach right now on Udemy. Keep in mind over here, it is the full course price that is featured for most of my classes. So if you want to get them on sale, you got to go back to my website and click on the links. Last thing that you can do is to press on contact us, and here you can contact me directly and you can ask me any question you want.